Big on hiking?
Yeah.
I'm Nicky, by the way.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Hey! We made it! This is Monica. This is Austin. They're from Australia.
It's so quiet here.
Ian, are you all right?
Do you ever feel like you've been watched by the government? No, or something in the trees?
What are you looking for?
Did you see it?
See what?
The thing that was chasing me.
Things can seem like way bigger than they actually are.
Hey, watch out!
Sometimes they're not even there, maybe.
You all think I'm seeing things that don't exist.
But you know that it doesn't exist, right?
Well, I know you think I'm crazy. He killed these girls.
The big creature?
Yes! You said it wasn't real.
You all right?